I really like this synth. I've been using it a lot. I don't think it's very new, but I've only just discovered it, and it sounds really good. I'm gonna start with this preset. I don't know if I'll end up using it in the long run. Let's see where this goes. This is very calm, but also chaotic. Let's just layer this or something. Like I did in my last video, we'll just copy and paste the midi. If I do like a half time on the bells. Pretty cool. Just have that buried in there like that. See, with this modulation you can just kind of like I like to turn it up and get like a kind of quite messy effect, and then you just dial it back in. On this MIDI clip and you hold down command, you can like skip a MIDI clip, or like, you know what I mean? It can like, you just pick whatever MIDI clip you like, and then you can click on any other one without, if you hold down shift it selects all of it. That's what I'm trying to say. in Ableton now as well. So I'm gonna duplicate this bus. Dude, this is so fast, this Mac. And then you can just like right click on the bus or the group, whatever you call it. Bounce group in place. And it's like in audio. How good is that? So now I can just use this as a resample. That's the only thing is like you have to remember to duplicate your bus, which might, you know, depending on how many effects you got on there, could take a while, but it's just essentially a gate, but it sounds like distortion. Let's put we'll mute this one for a minute and we'll close it. I don't have Valhalla Supermassive on this computer. Let's rescan. Benson, Arizona. There we are. And then I'm just gonna bounce group in place. And I might use this tail for reverse it, turn it back on, and then so we have this other bus. Let's mute this section. I don't know, it's just an idea I'm going to try. But so I've got this like different bass note that comes in. So we're booting a new section. If I did outro, I'd probably go like this. Because this is so washed out, I feel like it'd be pretty cool to like automate with a utility. Maybe on this last bit. Oops. Could have it kind of roll out.